So good to see you here today once again. This is my video that I'm recording before I go to the affiliate gathering. The state that I'm in right now is I have 4 websites that I'm currently working on, 2 YouTube channels, and I feel a little bit stretched thin at the moment. I know what the advice is here. I know what the advice is. The advice is to focus on the things that are making you money and stop worrying about all this, that, and everything else. I totally understand that. What I'm trying to do right now, one of my focuses at the moment, I'd say my main focus is erosiumtv.com. I disconnected my Patreon from my channel and my website, and I've set up my own private membership for that using another plugin called WordPress, and I've been experimenting with that. It's got like 36 members so far, so it's going really well. So that is becoming my really main focus for this last week, and it's going to be probably my main focus for at least another 3 weeks, maybe another month on top of that. We'll see. I need 150 members before I start to be calming down a little bit, where I can be like, you know what, we're happy with what we're doing here. The reason I had to do this all is because Patreon introduced some new fees and it just got a bit too much. So I thought I'm going to take control of this myself and save myself a lot of money, basically. Now, going into the affiliate gathering, things that I'm really excited for. I'm excited for the networking. The networking, meeting other bloggers and people in the same situation as me or similar situations to me and seeing how they're progressing is going to be absolutely invaluable to me. The first networking event I ever went to was a property seminar event hosted by Susanna Cole, and that made me financially free. Technically, I could retire and never need to work, and I could live off rent if I wanted to. It's not really an amazing income, but it's okay income. You know, if I wanted to live that way, I could do. That was one event that happened to me 10 years ago. And this is another event. This time, I'm taking my notebook. I'm going to be taking notes. I'm going to be absorbing every bit of information that I can, like a sponge, and just meeting and understanding everything I can within the industry. There are some amazing people that I'm going to be meeting at this event. I'm most looking forward to meeting Carl Broadbent, WP Eagle, Income School, Jason from Income School, Ariel Phoenix, and the developer from Popcorn and Spiderweb, which is Phil. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of these guys and just getting to know them a bit more personally and having a chance to actually speak to them face to face. It's a really, really exciting time, and I'm so happy I'm going along to this. I really feel like I've entered the world of blogging, and this is the future for me. So I'm excited to see where the future takes me. But I wanted to record this video beforehand and then record another one afterhand so I could give my thoughts of what I want to get from the event. And then afterwards, I can tell you what I got from the event. And that gives you a good indication. Now, I have obviously 4 sites and 2 YouTube channels. I'm going to be completely honest with you. One of my sites isn't doing well. It's doing great in terms of views. It's got 500 views a day. 500 views a day isn't to be scoffed at. That's good. What it's not got is an EPMV. It's got a terrible EPMV. Terrible EPMV. It's a gaming site, and it's getting on average between $1.50 and $4.50 EPMV, and that is turning into very little profits. It's not a lot at all. It's like $30 a month. I'm not happy with the site at all. I want to make more from it. The most I'm making from that site is actually from the affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing products are definitely doing much better than anything else. It's just disappointing to see it not doing as well as I want it to. So I've decided to move my focuses away from that site and onto other sites which are doing a lot better. That being said, I've got 2 other sites. I've got one in the health industry, which is doing very well. It's got a high EPMV between $29 and $48 on average from what I've experienced. And then I've got another one which is in a sport industry, which is doing on average, again, between 30 and 48 EPMV. It's doing amazing. It's absolutely unbelievable. I'm absolutely chuffed. And then my 4th website, which is my Erosium website, and that's my private membership website where I basically create World of Warcraft guides and people sign up to create a membership and they support me financially with $10 per month. And I'm trying to build that up to about 150 members if I can. That's the goal there. I know I can do it because I've done it before, and I really want to build that up to a really large amount again in the future. What I do want to do is speak to people to find out more about how to sell a site, because I wouldn't mind looking at selling that other site, or looking at strategies to improve the PMV or potentially make more money from the site, because I need to turn that project really into like kind of a bit of more of an income than what it's doing right now. I just don't want to put too much effort into it because the rewards are so little, if that makes sense. Then I've got my 2 sites which are doing amazing EPMV wise. Do I focus on those and really like dial in on really focus on growing the traffic there? Or do I perhaps just focus on my 4th site, which is all about World of Warcraft guides? And that is obviously what pays my bills right now. So for me, at the moment, my focus is the World of Warcraft site, getting as many members as possible, growing that to about 100 to 150 members. The key to that is just value. It's just giving free value as much as possible, then making it easier for my viewers to get the value by signing up as a member. That's effectively what I do. That's how I make the money there. That's how I get people to sign up. Oh, a quick shout out to Carl Broadbent. Thank you very much for your advice on the sales funnel. Really, really good advice. So this is the sales funnel for my membership site. And Carl said it would be a better idea to have a video here. So I've been working on a video to stick here instead. I think that's a very intelligent decision. So yeah, that's my kind of like focus with my 2 YouTube channels. I think the YouTube channels are amazing. They'll always be amazing. I keep Erosium going for the marketing aspect, and I do Theo Ramwell because I really see my future is blogging, and I really like blogging, and I really like making YouTube videos. So I want that Theo Ramwell channel around forever as a result of that. So I'll be keeping both of those going. Probably 1 video a week for Theo Ramwell, and then for my Erosium channel, it'll be 1 video a week. But for the next month or so, it'll be probably 1 video every day or 2, just to really push the memberships ahead kind of thing. Because you do need to market it pretty hard to get people signed up. And once they're signed up, obviously, you just need to keep them satisfied with good value of content. But get that initial growth, you really have to pump out the videos and pump out the marketing to get that. So going into this affiliate gathering, I really want to get to know people better, get to understand what they think, give them my predicament and see what they think, and then potentially help them with their predicaments if they've got any things they need advice with that I potentially could offer value on. Really excited to meet a lot of people. I'm going to WP Eagle's Fringe event, and his Fringe event is, I hope it's going to be a good time. I imagine it probably will be. I'm really, really looking forward to it. I'm actually going tomorrow, so that is Thursday, the 18th, and really excited to meet him and some of the other guys there. So going into this event, I'm just really excited to be like a sponge soaking up all that wonderful knowledge. I know there's going to be some amazing speakers there. I'm really looking forward to hearing, I believe it's Ben Watch, his YouTube channel is Ben's Watches. I'm really, really looking forward to hearing him speak. I think he's going to offer some amazing value in terms of like YouTube and growth on YouTube. He has a brilliant channel and he's really dialed in on that specific niche, and I think he's doing great with that. So I'm excited to see how that goes when I watch that. But generally, this is just my thoughts just going into the affiliate gathering. I'm really excited to meet all these individuals. And if you see me at the affiliate gathering, feel free to come up and say hi to me. I won't bite. I really, if anything, I'm a little bit nervous to meet so many new people. But I would love to just get a chat with any of you guys. So I'll see you at the event, guys, and I'll be sure to make a video afterwards where I share some of the value that I learned from the event individually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.